Parentheticals are cues used to clarify dialogue, tone, and meaning. There are times in a screenplay when words don't actually mean what they say. This is when we use parentheticals to show how that particular line should be said. They should be used sparingly because it's not your job to tell actors how they should say their lines. Don't litter your scripts with parentheticals. Only use them when a dialogue needs to be said in a certain way. Example: if a character says, "I hate you," to a friend while smiling lovingly, we know they don't actually mean it in a bad way. If this is what is going on in your script, use parentheticals to clarify it by putting lovingly or smiling fondly between the character name and the dialogue. When you have multiple characters in a scene, you can use parentheticals to show who a character is speaking to at the moment, instead of repeating their names in the dialogue. Example: Abby to Jack in parenthetical, "I need you to let me run points on this." To Max in parentheticals, "Cover your 6. Don't worry about what's up front." To Megan in parentheticals, "You, my love, you stay behind me at all times, okay?" Don't use parentheticals to break up your dialogue, to add action or scene description like this in the middle. That will only distract whoever that is reading your script. Parentheticals are used under a character's name and above the dialogue. You can use them between sections of a dialogue to indicate a change in tone or action. They are never centered when used under a character's name. Words inside a parenthetical should be in lower cases, but if it's a person's name or any other proper noun, capitalize the first letter. More example from a screenplay. Crowley: "So, this is what you and Luz do. Crisscross the country in search of evil. Order your nitrates. Ice the hot waitress in parenthetical. Partake of the local attractions." D. Not looking up in parentheticals. Yup. You also use parentheticals to indicate when a character is speaking into a device like phones, mic, etc. Example from a screenplay. Ent, vault. Yen tries to free himself, but he can't use his other hand, lest he drop to the floor. He tries gnawing at his bandage, which brings his face within inches of a plastic explosive. Outside vault. Danny, 11, 10, 9. Ent, Mirado suit. Livingston et al. Are alert to the danger. Livingston, into his mic in parentheticals. Linus, can you read me? Linus, do not blow the door. You are about to kill Yen. Parentheticals can also be used to show when there is a pause or beat in a dialogue. Example from a screenplay. George, sincere in parenthetical. Now, calm down, my boy. Just calm down. Pause in parenthetical. Alright? Pause in parenthetical. You want another drink? Here, give me your glass. Nick. I still have one. I do think that when my wife comes downstairs. George, here. I'll freshen it. Give me your glass. Take seats in parentheticals. See how the parentheticals are placed in all the examples I provided? Make sure yours are placed the same way when you use them in your script. Take note, if you are using Word or any other app that doesn't handle spacing automatically, parentheticals are left indented at 3 inches. The right margin is often 3.5 inches.